Pay attention. Look at f of x is equal to this problem was asked in second year application. Denominator step of f of x equal to so and so is dash function. Pay attention. This has two answers. This has two answers. Pay attention. What happens for x equal to n pi? Bachalo, what is sin n pi? N belonging to integers. What is the sin n pi? Sin 0, sin pi, sin 2 pi, 3 pi, sin 4 pi. What are the values? Bolo man. Sin n pi. What is tan pi? Tan 2 pi, tan 3 pi, tan n pi? 0. Therefore, what is your f of x? X is n pi. Sin n pi 0. Tan n pi 0. Somebody disturb us from end. Mute man. Or else I'll remove from the class. Who is that? Already late join हुए. कौन है वो?
Mirza Hamza bhai, mute yourself.
Please mute your mic, man. Some denominator. That is what I want to say. X is equal to n pi. F of x is equal to 0, which implies f is both even and odd. In 2019 JEE mains question, second year problem, integral minus pi to pi. He gave the function dx. Same problem. Function was an odd function. Therefore, what was the answer? 0. This was asked in second year. Pay attention. Second part. Let x be not equal to n pi. Then I use two properties of step functions which I quoted earlier. Property number 1. What is step of x plus n?
Please close करा. हर 2 मिनट को आ रहे. क्या हुआ? Mirza Hamza bhai, mute yourself. कौन सा? कपड़े बाहर लेके जाओ दूसरे रूम में से. हमारे पास
अरे
Hamza, our class only sir. Our class boy only sir.
What is step of x plus n? For x not an integer, what is step of minus x? याद है? minus step x minus n. I use these two properties here. 21 pi by pi. What is 21 pi by pi?
21.
Minus 41. So 2x into sin x plus tan x by denominator. What will come outside?
21.
What will come outside? 21 will come outside. 2 into step of x by pi plus 21 minus 41. So what is f of x finally?
2x into
2x into sin x plus tan x. Denominator 2 times step of minus x by pi plus numerator minus 1 to negative side positive. What does it become? 2 times x into sin x plus tan x. Denominator 2 into. I'll use this property. What is step of minus?
Minus step of
What is step minus
minus
minus 1? So minus step of x by pi minus 1 plus 1. How do I minus
2x plus
times
and
step of what is 2x into sin x plus tan x by 2 times step of x by 2 plus 1. What is it equal to?
f of x
X is equal
or
to. So, what's the answer for this problem? Is both even and odd when x is n pi. Is both even and odd when x is n pi. When x not equal to n pi. When x not equal to n pi, it is an odd function. Very, 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 very important problem of this.
Sir, in this question we have two answers, right?
Hmm. So what do you want?
No, sir. In the exam they will give only one option or both options. Like that.
It will be a multiple answer question, man. Finish, man.
1 minute.
Can I?
Don't rub the right side, sir, please.
Sir,
Bolo.
in the left side last step, sir. How did we got plus one there, sir? Minus 41 plus 41 will cancel now.
42 minus 41. 2 multiplied by 21, 42.
Yes.
42 minus 41 plus 1.
अबरार
Yes, sir.
संडे छुट्टी है.
Yes, sir.
एक काम करो. Go to your school. Go to your school. स्कूल के मैथ सर को मिठाई का डब्बा दे के आओ. समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Go to school. मैथ सर को मिठाई का डब्बा दे के आओ. मेरा नंबर दे के फोन करने को बोलना. Look here. Next, we read periodicity in trigonometry also. याद है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
फिर से एक बार फंक्शंस में भी थोड़ा पीरियोडिसिटी आता है. यहाँ पे LCMs will do the job. Look here. In fact, periods may be used two words. Pay attention, all of you. It will be there on the board. You can copy later. Concept समझ में आना. Problems खुद कर सकते. Idea देखो. Read. Understand the concept. Please understand the logic. Listen here. F of x plus a is equal to f of x. Periodic function heading लिख दिया आप लोग. ठीक है? If f of x plus a is equal to f of x, two possibilities. A is least possible positive real number. Then A is called fundamental period or period. PERIOD. Sometimes A is a positive real number. Then A is called, what is A called? Period. Two words, fundamental period or a period. Only one word, period. What's the difference? Geometrically, what do you mean by period? Geometrically, what do you mean by period? Length of the interval. बोलो जी, in which graph REPAS. Hello, वो बच्चे लोग, वो बच्चे लोग देख रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
sin x का ग्राफ कौन सा लेंथ में रिपीट हो रहा? कौन सा लेंथ में रिपीट हो रहा? 0 to 2 pi.
2 pi.
Whatever is the graph from 0 to 2 pi is the same graph you have throughout. Whatever is the nature of curve in 0 to 2 pi, do we have same nature 0 to throughout?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Come back. Look here. F of x is equal to sin x. What is sin of x plus 2 pi? बोलो जी. Sin x. Sin of x plus 4 pi.
Sin x.
Sin of x plus 6 pi.
Sin x.
In these, 2 pi, comma 4 pi, comma 6 pi. What is the least real number? Least positive real number. Least positive real number.
2
Least
pi.
positive real number. Least positive real number. Least positive real number. Least positive real number. 2 pi. So hence 2 pi is fundamental period or period. In some books they write fundamental period also. That's why I want to differentiate. Next. ये देखो f of x minus 2 is equal to f of x plus 10. Period is that. How do I write this? F of x minus 2 is equal to, how do you write f of x plus 10? In terms of this. Can I write RHS in terms of this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put x minus 2 is equal to t. What's the left hand side?
F of t is equals to
Right hand side.
F of t plus 2.
yes, sir.
In what form is this? In what form is this? F of x
F
is equal
of
to
x is equal to f of x plus a
So what's the period?
x by t by
What's the period? What's the period?
12.
What's the period? 12. But can you say here 12 is the least possible positive real number? Therefore, we just say period is 12. Here I can say least possible positive real number is 2 pi. So for 2 pi, for sin x, two answers. One is fundamental period or period. For sin x, fundamental period and period. Both are same and it is 2 pi. But for this function, period is how much? Copy this.
Done, sir.
Finished man? Can I clear
Yes,
this
sir.
out?
सर
बोलो सुन रहा हूँ.
राइट हैंड वाला मत रख करिए
और इतनी देर वेट करना जी. I want you to listen. This all theory we have done once, so please concentrate. What's on the board? Chalo.
सर
Can I? If you remember, f of x is a periodic function of period A. Then what will be f of x period? Sorry, f of alpha x period. Please do not write it. It will be there on the board. I did this in. इधर बोल दो उसको. I did this in trigonometry. I'm repeating once again. Look here. F of x is an of period A when f of alpha x is a periodic function of period. चलो आंसर बोलो. Period.
Alpha A. Alpha A.
Not alpha A. मैं कौन है वो? A by mod alpha. Sin x का पीरियड 2 पाई sin 20x का पीरियड बोलो मैम.
2 pi by 20.
220 pi by 10. F of x equal to f1 of x plus or minus f2 of x by, it will be there on the board, the copy later, f3 of x plus or minus f4 of x. इसका पीरियड अल्फा 1, इसका पीरियड अल्फा 2, इसका पीरियड अल्फा 3, इसका पीरियड अल्फा 4. What is period of f of x? बच्चों लोग period of f of x.
LCM of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4.
Is this DPS?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Super. Keep it up. Period of f of x, which is there in the notes, man. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4. Period of sin x plus fractional part of x. बच्चों लोग इसका पीरियड 2 पाई. सेकंड वाले का पीरियड fractional part of x. Recently I wrote only function there in the notes, non-trigonometric, which is periodic. What's a
One.
period? 1. What is
One.
LCM of 2 pi and 1?
2 pi.
2 pi.
Devda. 5. What is LCM of root 2, root 3?
Root 6.
Root 6.
What does DNE stands for? DNE stands for does not exist. Does not exist. Does not exist. Does not exist. Hello? LCM of root 5, 2 root 5, 3 root 5. Root 5 common. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 6. What's the answer? What are the square roots here called? What are the square roots here called? Sorry. Unlike surds. Square roots here called like surds. Remember? That's why I said LCM rules. 3. LCM of like surds exists. Unlike surds does not exist. LCM of irrational and rational does not exist. Bachelo, this answer does not exist. I'm asking you a brilliant question. I'll answer this later. Wait. What is LCM of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 7? Or 1 by 2, 1 by 3? Why 1 by 7? Answer, man.
6. Does not exist.
6 or 1 by 6? 6 or 1 by 6?
1 by 6.
6 or 1 by 6?
6.
Does not exist.
Very good. Answer is 1. Now I'll let the secret. What do you mean by LCM? Whatever is the LCM, you take that LCM, divide the given numbers, you should get integer. I repeat, whatever is the LCM, whatever is the given number, the LCM which you obtained divided by given number should give you integer. Now, I'm answering your question. First one, when I asked root 2, root 3 ka LCM, majority of the class or whole class was under the impression root 6. थोड़े लोग बोले, थोड़े लोग नहीं बोले. जो नहीं बोले, उनका मन में यही था कि answer is root 6. It cannot be, because if at all it is root 6 by root 2, what does it gives you? Root 3. Is this an integer? No. Root 3. You said root 3. What is root 6 by root 3? Root 2. Is this an integer? No. Why all that, man? 1 by 2, 1 by 3 I asked. What was your opinion? Your answer was 1 by 6. You take that 1 by 6, divide by 1 by 2. What does it gives you? 1 by 3. Take that 1 by 6, divide by 1 by 3. What does it gives you? Am I correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
I'm letting the cat out. I'm letting the cat out. I'm letting the cat out. What is the rule? LCM of A by B, C by D, G by H is equal to LCM of ACG, numerators by LCM of numerators by GCD of denominators, DBH. What is LCM of 1 by 2, 1 by 3? LCM of numerators 1, 1. LCM of 1 and 1 is 1. GCD of denominator. What is the greatest common divisor of 2 and 3? 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. Now come back. 2 pi is rational. 2 pi is rational. Sorry, 2 pi is irrational. 1 is rational. LCM of rational, irrational does not exist. Hence, this is a non-periodic. Is this clear? Any doubts? Any questions?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
We didn't discuss this earlier.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Write this. Write this.
Sir, one doubt.
बोलो.
Sir said, sir, that LCM rules in the first one. LCM of root 2 comma root 3 is 1.
No, does not exist.
D and A. Okay, sir.
LCM of like surds. These are irrationals. Irrationals में भी दो केसेस है. अगर like
Yes,
surd,
sir.
like surd irrationals है, LCM exists. Like surd irrationals है, LCM exists. Unlike surd irrationals है, LCM does not exist. Rational irrational does not exist.
Yes, sir.
The LCM which you read 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 5. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. That is LCM during addition, but not individual numbers addition. The basic rule of LCM is whatever number you obtain, divide. You should always get an integer. 1 by 1 by 2.
2.
1 by 1 by 3.
3. Yes, sir.
That's the rule.
Sir, can we go to our prayers?
12:45 नहीं हुआ ना? Should I leave you early? Generally 12:45 is the time, no?
Yes,
Adnan.
sir.
Zahiruddin Adnan, और एक 5 मिनट ले सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I leave you by sharp 12:45. In my watch it is 12:41. 4 minutes. Finished one?
Yes, sir. Finish, sir.
तो जल्दी करो जी.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. So, what is RAT, sir?
हाँ?
So, in the fourth one in LCM rules, what is that, sir?
Rational. When I am talking, you are not listening, man.
No, sir. It can't go.
क्या कर रहे थे?
So, got confused. Done, sir.
Pay attention. Just one problem. Period of sin x is 2 pi. E power sin x under root sin x 2 sin x. All these functions, will there be any change in the period? Answer is no. Similarly, period of, in fact, one more function forgot to write. Minus 3 sin x. Minus भी रहने दो. Minus 3 sin x. No दिक्कत. It is 2 pi. F of x period 2 pi. Minus f of x period won't change. Because graph इधर से उधर होता बस. Say x minus step x का what's the period man? बड़ा
1.
1. F of x is equal to step x minus x का period.
1.
बोलो man. 1.
1.
F of x is equal to under root of x minus step x का period.
1.
1.
F of x is equal to 3x minus step 3x का period
3 sir.
जल्दी जल्दी time is up
3 sir.
हाँ हेलो f of x का period A
1/3.
by 3.
Alpha by mod x.
alpha by mod A. So what's the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x here
3.
coefficient of x here 3. So what's the period? 1/3. Sin 4 pi x plus fractional part of 5x. Period is dash. Last column.
One.
इसका पीरियड क्या है 2 pi by 4 pi. इसका पीरियड 1/5. 2 pi pi कर गया 1/2 कमा 1/5 का LCM. What's the LCM man? 1. You can leave tomorrow same time.
Sir, tomorrow same time or 11 o'clock?
Will you log in at 11 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Chemistry class नहीं है ना?
No, sir, no chemistry class.
Then log in at 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
आपको inform करो.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow log in at 11. Tomorrow log in at 11.
Sir,
Sir,
बोलो.
I have doubt in one problem. Also on board.
बोल पूछो. I'm listening.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
बोलो.
sir,
बोलो मैम.
Root over x square is 3x plus 2.
क्या करना है इसको?
Range, we should find range, sir. If we do by differentiation, answer is we are not getting answer, sir. Range
Root over
3x square x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2.
this is nothing but x minus 3/2 whole square. You are adding 9/4. Subtract 9/4. 2 minus 9/4 minus 1/4.
yes, sir. It is given like that, but how we should do?
Now सुनो ना. इसका रेंज जो है -1/4 से इंफिनिटी को जाता, बट नेगेटिव नंबर्स नहीं लेगा वो. So it will go from 0 to infinity. Range will be from 0 to infinity only. What is the answer?
Correct only, sir. 0 to infinity.
Wait. You are there, no?
Yes, sir. There,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ठीक है. इसका रेंज होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
इसको ऐसा लिखा मैं.
Yes, sir.
ये फंक्शन अपना जर्नी कहां से स्टार्ट करेगा? ए फंक्शन अपना जर्नी कहां से स्टार्ट करेगा? -1/4 से. कहां तक चला जाएगा? कहां तक चला जाएगा? इंफिनिटी तक. लेकिन अगर ये फंक्शन -1/4 से लेके इंफिनिटी तक चला गया, स्क्वायर रूट पकड़ के मारता. स्क्वायर रूट बोलेगा हेलो, do not exist for negative numbers. what will square root say? I will not exist or I do not exist for negative numbers. So what should this function do? Delete all the negative numbers. Send all the negative numbers away. Throw all the negative numbers away. Kick all the negative numbers away. Dump all the negative numbers away. What are the negative numbers? -1/4 से लेके कहाँ तक? 0 तक. इन सबको निकाल दो. निकाले तो what are the numbers left over? What are the numbers left over? 0 to infinity. इसका range 0 to infinity.
Got sir. Thank you sir.
Wait. अगर उसका range
Okay sir.
square root of 25 to infinity होता था, then what is your answer? 5 to infinity. 25 का square root. अगर आपका आंसर अंडर रूट ऑफ say 8 to infinity, then what is the answer? 2 root 2 to infinity. 8 का square. या नेगेटिव नंबर से बोल के निकाल दे.
Yes sir.
Correct?
Yes sir.
Sir, but you have factors for that, na sir?
क्या बोले?
But you have factors for that equation, na sir? Quadratic equation.
Thank you. You are not looking at domain. Domain के लिए factors देखना, range के लिए नहीं.
Yes sir. Okay sir. Bye sir. Thank you.